Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update delivery instructions in Noon. So if I come here at the bottom navigation bar, click on account, and then I click here on orders, I can track my orders and I can manage them. So I have this one in progress right now, and if I tap on this, as you can see, it has not yet been dispatched. So as long as it has not yet been dispatched, you can go ahead and update your delivery. So you come here at the top, you'll see delivery address, you click on update address, and if you have any other address, you can select that, okay? Or if not, you can add a new address. So we'll come back here again. We'll click here on account. Then we'll scroll down. We'll click here on addresses. And then what you need to do is click here on add new address. And then go ahead and search that location up. So I'll go ahead and do one right here. We'll click on this, click on add address details, and then just enter the details right here. Once you have saved that address, you can go back again and click here on orders, and then go ahead and tap on that order, click on update address, and in this case, you go ahead and choose the new address, but you need to have your phone number verified. The way you do that, you come here to addresses, and then you come here, select that new address that you wanted to verify. You tap on those three dots, click on verify. They'll send you a one-time password to that number. You put that in here, it will be verified, and then you can select that as the new address. And that is how to update delivery instructions in Noon.